Hi everyone, Arjun here. In this quick video, I'm going to walk you through what row level security or RLS means in ThoughtSpot and how it helps keep your data secure. So let's start with the basic idea. In most organizations, not everyone should see the same data. A regional manager should only see their own region's data. A sales representative should only see their own accounts, and leadership may have full visibility. In our scenario, for the example, we have a leadership team with David as a user who should have access to full data, and then we have multiple territory groups. And in North America region, we have Michael as a user who should have access to all the NA region data. And at an individual level, we have a user called Lynn who should only see individual level data. Okay, and instead of creating separate dashboards for every person and every team, RLS quietly filters the data in the background, and each user automatically sees only what they are supposed to see. So how does this work in ThoughtSpot? You simply define rules that connect users to the data they are allowed to view. Once you set this rule, ThoughtSpot applies them everywhere, like Liveboard, answers, search, that too without the user needing to do anything. And now, let's look at how we can implement row-level security in ThoughtSpot. In RLS in ThoughtSpot is applied at table level. Here I'm using a dimension table, employee table, that is joined to the factory seller and the sales territory data. So under the row security, we can implement RLS rule, and I have already implemented RLS rule here. So this single rule covers multiple scenarios. The first condition, uh, the first condition checks if a user belongs to the all data RLS group, and if yes, then you should have access to all data. And in my example, the user David is part of this group. As soon as the David logs into the account, the conditions gets true and David gets access to all data. The second condition looks at what region a user belongs to and limits the data accordingly. In the third condition, username is matched with the email address column in the table and restricts access at the individual user level. So this is the single rule which will implement the row level security for us. And to make this work, I have also used groups in ThoughtSpot. So let's go to groups. Yeah. So all data RLS, this is a group where I have added David as a user, and in North America, I have added Michael as a user. From a business user perspective, nothing changes. They search as usual, explore as usual, and they only see the rows meant for them. The experience stays clean, simple, and secure. So here is a quick example of how this looks in practice. So this is a live board which I created. As an admin, I have access to all data, so I can see all data here. And I have also added the three tests like what we want to perform, David, Michael, and Lynn. So now I will log into David's account using David's credential. So David is able to see all data. So David is able to see all the regions data as well. So it is almost similar to the admin account, and you can see this is David's account. And at an individual level, David can see all the user email addresses as well. Europe, North America. Okay, now I will switch to Michael's account. So now we are in Michael's account. Michael should see the data at group level. So this is the Michael's account, and as we can see, Michael is able to see the data, and the total sales is 62 millions, and he's only able to see data for North America region. So if I scroll down now, Michael will have access to all the data in the North America. So mostly all the users. Okay. And the final would be logging into Lynn's account. And this is Lynn's account. Okay. So the data is restricted at a user level. So Lin belongs to the Pacific region and he's only able to see Pacific region data, that too only for one account, which is Lin's account. Yeah. So to sum it up, row level security ensures that every person only sees data that is relevant and permitted for them. It keeps your environment secure, reduces manual efforts, and make your dashboards usable for everyone without duplications. And thanks for watching.